Plants are Earth's silent superheroes. They feed us, protect us, and even breathe for us. But how do they do it all? Let's dive into the secret world of plants. Plants are solar-powered chefs. Inside their leaves, chloroplasts use sunlight to cook up food, turning carbon dioxide and water into sugary glucose and fresh oxygen. Bon appetit, planet Earth. But plants need energy too. They eat their own glucose, sending water up their xylem pipes and sugar down their phloem highways, all while their cells generate energy like tiny power plants. Plants grow smarter than you think. Hormones tell them to reach for the sun, dig roots deeper, or even drop leaves when stressed. Talk about multitasking. From sexy flowers luring bees to deadly poisons, plants have wild survival tricks. Some even team up with animals to spread their seeds, because teamwork makes the dream work. Without plants, we'd be toast. No oxygen, no food, no coffee, just a dusty rock. So next time you walk past a tree, give it a mental high five. It's keeping you alive.